Gyudon, also known as Japanese beef bowl, is a quick and delicious dish made with thinly sliced beef and onions, simmered in savory sweet sauce of soy sauce, mirin, and dashi, served over a steaming bowl of rice. This easy gyudon recipe is perfect for busy weeknights and brings the authentic taste of Japanese comfort food right to your kitchen. If you are looking for a fast Japanese beef bowl recipe that is both budget-friendly and packed with flavor, this gyudon is a must-try. Before we start, subscribe below so you don't miss an update. First, we want to shop for the beef. We want thinly sliced beef, and depending on your preference and your budget, you can choose fattier cut or leaner cut. Here are the ingredients for the gyudon. As you can see, we select the leaner cut meat. We have hondashi, sugar in the raw, soy sauce, mirin, and onion. You can also use honey, but I don't have any when making this video. If you have never used hondashi, this is what it looks like. Slice one large onion. Cut the beef into smaller sizes and separate them. I have about 1¼ pound beef over here. Heat up 2½ tablespoons neutral oil in the pan and add the sliced onion. Saute until the onion is softened, then add the beef. You can add the beef all at once or gradually. Cook briefly and add 3 tablespoons sugar in the raw and 1 tablespoon hondashi. You can also use honey. Then add 3 tablespoons mirin and 5 tablespoons low sodium soy sauce. Cook until the beef is just done and add about 3/4 cup water and salt to taste. Cook until it boils and adjust the seasoning if needed, and the beef is done. If you have thinly sliced and fatty cut beef, you can cook until the sauce is reduced like this. Then add about 1 cup water depending on preference. This method will make a more flavorful gyudon. But if your cut is lean like mine, I ended up having a tougher gyudon using this method. But when I use fattier cut, it is fine. I hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. To my subscribers, as always, thank you for your support. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time.